one day, he came back to campus and ended up in my office. I mean, we're sort of friends, outside the teacher-student relationship, we're kind of friends. And he just sat down and started telling me this idea that he had. And I can't remember whether it was one single event or we talked over a number of different sessions, but he asked whether I would be one of the people who would sponsor the book center. And he had talked to Robert Rothstein, who was a Russian literature professor at UMass, and Jules Pickus, who had been his Yiddish teacher, and Chaim Gunner, and Leonard Glick, and me. And so, how many is that, 5, 6? 6 of us put up $100 each to charter this National Yiddish Book Exchange. Seemed like a neat idea. I thought it was a little crazy, but Aaron is just so passionate, enthusiastic, and so charismatic that it's really hard to say this isn't going to work. It's to say no. So that, I think it was as simple as that. And it just spoke to me in a way that it's hard for me to explain.